Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making Achiote oil or Annatto oil. So let's get started. Okay, so in order to make our Annatto oil, we have our annatto seeds here. Okay, this is the annatto seeds here. So we're going to use a tablespoon and a half of annatto seeds. Okay, so we're going to put a tablespoon and a half of our annatto seeds, and then we're going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Let me just put it on a flat surface. Okay, so we have a 1/4 cup here of olive oil. We're going to add this now to our pot here. All right, so now we have to head over to the stove. So let's do that. Okay, so we want to heat our annatto seeds and oil over medium heat for about 3 minutes. We don't want to overheat this. If we overheat it, the annatto seeds can get bitter. So we're just going to heat this for about 3 minutes or so. You can see how it's heating up. You notice how the oil is changing color. You're getting the red color to it. I would say 2 to 3 minutes would be ideal for heating it in order to extract the color, because in any event, after we finish heating this and we turn off the flame, we're going to leave it to cool so it will continue to steep, so to speak. All right, so at this point I'm going to turn it off, because as the seeds are crackling, I think I can turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off at this point, guys. So I did, I would say about 2 minutes. I heated my oil for 2 minutes. I'm going to remove it from the heat now and allow it to cool. Okay guys, so now that our annatto oil has cooled, we can strain it, and then we will add it to a glass jar for use. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm showing you how to make this oil. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. Feel free to share with family and friends, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.